everyone, today we will be making lemonade. So the ingredients in it are lemon. I already squeezed my lemons, sugar, water and some ice. So let's start. So put your lemons and squeeze it and put it in the glass. Now take water and put it in. Okay. Now take 5 spoons of sugar. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now take some ice and put it in. Now you're gonna get a little bit of ice. Now take a spoon and mix it. Okay, now you can start mixing and your lemonade is ready. Time to drink. Wow, it's so good. If you drink lemonade every day, your tummy fatness will become less. Thank you. Goodbye. Please do like and subscribe to my channel.